Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use less internet on your phone. First, activate your phone's data saver mode, a powerful tool found in your settings. This feature significantly limits background data for applications, potentially cutting your usage by up to 60%. It also helps by compressing media like images and videos when you browse, ensuring you get more out of every megabyte. This simple step is your first and most effective. Next, make Wi-Fi your best friend and embrace offline content. Always download your favorite music, podcasts, and videos when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. This way, you can enjoy your entertainment without touching your mobile data. Similarly, ensure all app updates are set to occur only over Wi-Fi. This simple habit can save you hundreds of megabytes or even gigabytes each month, keeping your data plan intact. With your petals and leaves ready, it's time for assembly. Take 5 to 7 of your crafted petals and arrange them in a circular pattern, overlapping slightly. Apply a small dab of glue to the base of each petal to secure them together, forming the flower's bloom. Next, attach a decorative center. A small button or a contrasting paper circle works perfectly. Finally, glue your green leaves to the underside of the flower's base, completing its natural look. Finally, consistent monitoring and smart habits are key. Regularly check your phone's data usage statistics to understand where your data is going. Set up data warnings and hard limits within your phone settings to receive alerts before you hit your cap, or even stop data use entirely. Cultivate mindful habits, such as closing unused browser tabs and applications, as these can silently consume data. These proactive steps will empower you to stay within your data plan effortlessly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.